Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your friend list completely private on Facebook. To do that, you first of all need to open up Facebook on your phone. Once you did that, you need to head over to or click on your profile option on the lower right corner. Once you clicked on it, you need to scroll all the way down till the settings option and you need to click on settings. Once you did that, you need to go to the privacy checkup option over here, and then you need to click on the first option, which is who can see what you share. Once you clicked on that, you need to click on continue, and then you need to scroll all the way down till the friends and following option, which is the last option. And from there you can basically see who can see your friend list on your profile. When you click on the options, you can just choose the only me option, and from now on only I will be able to see the friends I have on Facebook. So that's how basically you can do it. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel.